Asa is 6 months and talks a lot and sits up by himself. Baby, are you sitting up by yourself with your friends? Asa. Mama can't believe that you're already sitting up by yourself. You're such a big boy, Asa. Yeah. Mr. Penguin. You love Mr. Penguin. Oh, say bye-bye.